Hi guys, I'm back after a long time. I bought the new beer Simba Extra Strong beer. Now, fortunately, this is also available in AP. Let's check the MRP. It is 220 rupees. It comes to the category of extra strong beer with the alcohol percentage is 6 to 8%. It's a brand from Simba. It's well known in Goa and North India. That side is very much famous. Simba is famous for the wheat beers and also the lager beers. And check all the ingredients that are mentioned in it. Water, malted barley, hops, maize, rice, yeast, carbon dioxide, and that's it. Already tried this Simba few of times, maybe 3 4 times. I really like the taste of Simba extra strong beer. We can give the tough competition to the um, good selling Bira Boom, which is good selling in Andhra Pradesh, and this Simba can give the good competition to it, and its alcohol percentage is 8% above or 8% around, and it also comes to near to it. I really like the packaging and the sticker on it. It's very much you can see the lion with suit, tuxedo suit. It's a large beer, 650 ml comes to the cost of 220 rupees. And no too much buck. I have my beer glass and pour it and see the color, crispiness, carbonation, etc. etc. Okay, yeah. Now I poured it. Oh, you can see the carbonation is extremely high. I think so because bubbles are kept running race. It's running up straight away, and fourth is also staying very long time. It's very clear, dark yellowish, dark golden color. mm. Let's check the smell. It smells like a light beer. It doesn't smells like a extra strong beer like alcohol punch or more hopes smell like that. We can't feel like that. With the smell we can expect this is a light beer like Kingfisher light, like that light beer. Wow, really, smell is really nice, citrusy, very much but the gas is carbonation is too much high, I think so, because see how much time the bubbles are running up. Because having this much carbonation, it may leads to bloat your stomach after having. You won't stop with one beer like this very tasty beer. You won't stop for one beer, you can have it 2 or 3 beers, I think so. Let's have taste and tell you how it's tastes like. mm. With the smell you can expect this is a light beer, but with the taste, that punch, extra strong punch you can feel in your mouth feel, that is excellent. Excellent, what you expect from the strong beer, that's exactly the mouth feel is there. mm. Very crispy, having this much carbonation. Your mouth feels very crispy while drinking it. It's smoothly going through my throat. It's really not so harsh. It's really light feeling beer, but having that extra strong punch. You aftermath feel is excellent aftermath feel. Really the worth to spend 220 rupees. Even its charges high in Andhra Pradesh, even though it's the best beer to have it in your weekends. You can compare it with Bira Boom, which is also my top best beer. In it's available in all over India. Wow, really excellent. The choice would be, while having this, the choice would be you can have it with chips, with biryanis, with the tandoori chicken, and also paneer tikkas. Everything will matches with this crispy, because it's have very crispy taste, no? That's why you will feel mouth would thank you after eating that much spicy food. If you drink like this beer, your mouth will thank you, for your tongue will definitely thank you, say it thank you. Why I'm not making videos? Because I took a long break, not having alcohol, not even beer. That's why I kept 40 days 45 days gap. After that gap, I am first drink is this is only. And that's why I want to share with you guys. Thanks for your support, and please do subscribe and like, dislike, or comment anything improvement you needed. Definitely please comment down below. I will definitely improve on it. Why I don't know, while seeing the camera and pouring the beer, I feel very much difficult, because I don't have that much experience while recording the video and pouring the beer. That's why. Otherwise, I will pour beer in the glass very perfectly. After seeing many tutorials long back ago, I've tried and really like. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Simba. Sorry, Bira. I thought this is Simba, and it is me signing off. Bye.